Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming core services so fixes work. First, open Settings and turn on Location Services, Imessage, and Share My Location. This allows messages to attach coordinates. Next, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active and Bluetooth is enabled because assisted GPS improves accuracy. Once done, force close messages and relaunch it to refresh the app's location permissions. If prompted, grant precise location access. This matters for pinpoint accuracy and prevents the no location found error. Now you tackle account and network causes. Check that the person you're messaging shares location and that their contact lists the correct Apple ID. Messages uses Apple ID to exchange locations. Next, update iOS to the latest version to avoid software bugs, then sign out and back into your Apple ID for messages to refresh servers. If location still fails, reset network settings to clear cached Wi-Fi and cellular data. This often fixes stuck GPS or sending problems without erasing content. Finish by testing and cleaning up residual issues. Open the conversation, tap the contact's name, and choose Send My Current Location so you verify sending works in real time. Then perform a full device restart and, if needed, reinstall any location-related profiles or third-party apps that interact with maps. Make sure the carrier's location services are online. If problems persist, contact Apple support for diagnostics. Key troubleshooting tip: test with another iPhone to separate device problems from account or carrier issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.